And in front of me is iQOO Neo 7, and let me show you how to add fingerprint to this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Fingerprint Face and Password, and select Fingerprint as we want to add fingerprint. Mark Unlock to set it for unlocking your device. Now just make sure that it cannot be retrieved once you forget it. So just tap on continue and enter the password. It will be kind of backup to your fingerprint. So as it was mentioned, once you forget it, you'll have to reset the whole device. You'll not be able to do it in any different way. So now once fingerprint or not fingerprint but PIN code or pattern has been entered, it's time to add fingerprint. So as you can see, the sensor is located on your home screen, so keep tapping till it's fully added. You'll be informed, so just lift your finger up, place it on the sensor, and recreate the action till it's fully added. Tap on OK, and now just unlock your device with this fingerprint smoothly. Yep, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.